I told you long ago on the road, I got what they waiting for. All run from nothing, dog. Get your soul. Just tell them ain't laying low.
No witnesses?
Each bowl has 2 packs of ramen, exactly 2 packs.
And I'm usually a 1-pack girl.
And then he's like...
You scared? Man, you ain't gonna do it. What the hell? I sure the fuck ain't. I wanna see you do it. You're doing too fucking much. It's not that.
Crazy.
Jordan, where's my crosshair at? Jordan, this water's not deep enough. You lied. Jordan, you lied. Jordan, you lied. Jordan, you lied, bitch. Nope, I'm in the water. I'm black. Damn it, this does not help at all. Where is he at? I don't know. Shit, I ain't finna go back up and see. There's no fucking way. I'm done. I know. No, Jordan, there's no. This is that bullshit. This is that black luck. This is that non-black privilege. Nah, fuck that. That's a dog. What the fuck, Jordan? No, I'm gone. No. Mission abandoned. Jordan. No, I'm done. No. This. What the fuck? Jordan. No. This is not how it's supposed to work. No, Jordan. So
No dick, no balls, and probably no butthole since this guy feeds on radiation.
You better come get it, this ball. I can't walk past this snake. I can't walk. Whoa.
Okay guys, I've been working on this outfit for some time now, and my stepmom Karen says I'm not allowed to wear it out tonight. I mean, like, respect the drip, Karen.
Something. Give me Pennywise. Come on. Give me something good.
How do you even train your dog to do
What you
this?
gonna do when you catch them hoes in the club? What you gonna do to them hoes? Get them hoes, 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 get, break that bitch back, beat it up, oh, beat it up.
Yo, ¿tú escuchaste eso?
¿Es qué?
¿No escuchaste?
No.
Pon la mano aquí. ¿No sientes?
No.
Está lloviendo, estás aquí tirado, estás aquí con las chispis.
Aquí andamos, los dos. Mirad, mirad qué foto.
You.
One thing, one time to get that egg into the water.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Do it!
Mirad, mirad qué foto. Y aquí con mi amiga. ¿Cómo estás, amiga? ¿Cómo lo llevas? ¿Bien? Un besito. ¡Mua!
I'm free! You know, these donuts represent our society. We're all a little bit different from each other, but we all still live together, you know? No discrimination. Anything like that. Don't be racist.